My name is Ken Doty with the Maids International out of Omaha, Nebraska. We are a franchisor of Maids services. Primarily our job is to clean homes. So typically our customers that come to our website are looking for a quote. That usually means that they have a need for a service that is impactful right now. So timing is extremely important to us. We have really missed that opportunity in the past because for those that did a really good job of possibly following up on them, made a very concerted effort. But we had a lot of franchisees that were so busy that those kind of took a back seat to the calls coming in, taking care of the existing customer base and so forth. So ClientTether allowed us an opportunity to take care of everyone in a very timely fashion. And that improved our close rate, that improved our engagement rate, and customers now are responding with a lot more positive responses.